Hey sellers, have you ever wondered what happens when you optimize your Amazon strategies the right way? In today's case study, we are breaking down how we helped RootyHeart Co scale their Amazon by 198% in just 80 days. Angela's listings were struggling, low visibility, inconsistent sales, and weak differentiations, and her biggest challenge was poor graphics, missing keywords, and no strategic ads or goal optimize everything. So here's the game plan: listing optimization. We improved keywords, descriptions, and images for higher conversions. We enhanced visuals. We upgraded product photography and A+ content to boost appeal. PPC mastery. We launched targeted ad campaigns and lowered A cost by 41%, and the results were absolutely amazing. Sales skyrocketed by 198% in just 80 days. Sessions increased by 312%, and conversion rates jumped by 123%, and revenue surged by 161%. So that means more units ordered, 141% increase. So what you can learn from this: optimized listings equals to higher conversions, better visuals equals to more engagement, targeted PPC equals to higher ROI, continuous management equals to long-term success. So if your Amazon brand is struggling, and you don't have to do it alone. Want to take your Amazon sales to the next level? Book a free strategy call today, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more growth strategies. Thank you.